Ano nga ba yung investment? Investment is a process kung saan nilalagay mo ang pera mo in an opportunity para kumita ka ng interest income. You may buy an asset or security and hope na tataas ang value over time. An asset may come in a form of real estate, gold, mutual funds, or stocks. So, bakit nga ba importanteng mag-invest? Investment kasi gives you the opportunity para lumago ang perang pinaghirapan mo. And over time, you'll be able to hit your financial goals or makukuha mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Yan na yung tinatawag na financial security. That's why it's very important to start investing. Kaya kapatid, now that you know, start investing today. See you on my next video.